ChemWhat channel, Chemistry and Biology Insights. I bet you didn't know that ChemWhat's high-purity reagents are the secret behind cutting-edge scientific breakthroughs. Let's dive in. ChemWhat, a globally registered trademark of Watson, is your go-to for ultra-pure rare earth halides, metal halides, and metal chalcogenide reagents. These aren't just any chemicals, they're the backbone of scintillation crystals, optical fibers, perovskites, and solid-state electrolytes. ChemWhat offers purity grades from 3N to 7N+, ensuring metallic impurities stay below 100 ppm. And with moisture and oxygen content under 50 ppm, ChemWhat reagents are ultra-dry and anhydrous, perfect for sensitive applications. Need customization? Granulation options are available upon request, tailored to your research or manufacturing needs, plus ChemWhat advanced packaging uses argon arc welding and high borosilicate glass bottles, sealed under inert gas and secured in custom-engineered foam. Scaled-up production? Check. Flagship products like lithium sulfide and lanthanum bromide meet both lab and industrial demands. No wonder ChemWhat's materials are the preferred choice for leading universities, research institutes, and companies worldwide. ChemWhat's reagent portfolio spans multiple categories, including rare earth halides, which are essential in advanced materials, and other metal halides, widely used in both research and industrial applications. Choose ChemWhat, where precision meets purity for groundbreaking research. ChemWhat channel, Chemistry and Biology Insights.